Hey, how's it going, guys? Eric here with your alerts tutorial. This has been updated as of November 2020. TradingView recently updated their entire alert center, and so I'm just going to walk through a quick refresh of how to access MarketGod and add alerts as well. The first step, like we've covered in an earlier tutorial, is to add MarketGod to your charts. So the way you do that, you have to be on tradingview.com/chart, and you have to be a user of MarketGod. There are two different kinds of users right now. There are lifetime users and there are trial users. The trial users, you have a week free. If it's something that we were off on for communication, let me know. We'll reset it for you. If you're a lifetime user, I'm proud to have you, and I appreciate your support. There's only going to be a few more weeks of having lifetime users before I go into a subscription model that may be a lot more affordable for people that maybe haven't used MarketGod, and also beats the crap out of any payment plan to any indicator on the market. So back to the alerts. Starting here, go to the chart section of tradingview.com. After you get to your chart of preference, you're going to want to go to the market of choice. As usual, I'm on Bitcoin. After that, you're going to want to be on the time frame that you want. Here, I've selected 4 hours, but you can use any time frame you want the alert to come on. So once you've got your time frame and your chart set, you're going to need to make sure MarketGod is on your chart as well. Go to the invite only section of your TradingView indicator library, and then you're going to see MarketGod for TradingView Study. You want to add that one. It's published by MarketGod X, not TV MarketGod. So here I go. I've got MarketGod X squared, setting 12 on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. If I wanted to use these settings, the alert manager remembers what my settings were on the indicator when I set this. So if I change the chop filter, or if I change the type of indicator, it's all the same. What you're going to want to do is come to the right hand side, go to the alerts panel. It'll pop right out. The alerts panel is available if you're on the TradingView normal chart, or if you're on their site, just in the other sections that they have, the other pages that aren't charts. What you want to do from there is just simply go up to the alert panel and create an alert. If you're using a hotkey, it is, if you're on Mac, I think it's Control A. And then if you are on a a PC, you're gonna just do Alt A. So I think it's it's Command A, Option A if you're on Mac. Cool. So here you can see it wants to create an alert on Bitcoin 4 hour. I want to change the condition to MarketGod for TradingView, and I want to see it set either MarketGod buy or MarketGod sell. I want to receive this as often as it happens, and I want it to be open-ending, meaning it's not going to stop sending me those alerts within, a month, 2 months, whatever. If you want to send an email, it can do that. If you want the app to tell you, it can also do that. You want to name your alert, MarketGod buy, and then you can change the message that comes with it as well. I made it, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And then you can also do little things like change the sound and whatnot. This might change depending on the actual plan you have with TradingView. I have the Pro plan and I have all the features. So maybe if you don't see these options, it's because you have the free plan, or maybe not as not as tiered as the Pro subscription. So once you have your settings set, the time frame, how you want to deliver it, and how you want to receive it set, you hit create. Now what you're going to want to do is every time I update the indicator, as painful as it is, you're going to want to reset all of these. There's tools that can help you do it. Check out our documentation pages online, docs.marketgod.io, where it walks you through a few tools that we recommend that can help you get through this process a lot faster. The one I use is Quick Alerts. It's not a promotional video or anything, but I used it to auto backtest, automate a lot of my user additions, and change a lot of the alert importing that I do.